Welcome back everyone to a new video. Today we're taking a boys trip. I'm super excited because in about 10 minutes I'm gonna have my good mate Peter pick me up in his FGX and we're gonna go straight to Winton Raceway to watch some drifting. Alright, so Peter has just arrived at my house in this. Look at this setup. We've got this big trailer here, we've got a dirt bike, we've got all the skidders for the boys here, and this beautiful lightning strike FGX. Peter,
how's it going?
Not bad.
Not bad. Are you keen, Nathan?
I'm very keen. Are you keen to kill your NAZF?
A little bit worried, but I'll take it really easy.
You're dragging a bit of weight here, but should be fine, hopefully. I mean, we'll find out. Life's all about taking risks. That's how you have fun, so let's get to it. So we made it to our first pit stop, just at Rex's house at the moment. So we got all the drift boys here, well most of them. We've got the FGX, towing the trailer and the all the tires. Motorbike, got Naoki Fades over here with the AU Falcon. The new S chassis, you guys, if you checked out my last video, you know S chassis are stupid expensive. So these are the new S chassis. And Rexton.
This is what it feels like. Oh man, so strange.
The original plan was I was going to use the Prado to tow Rex's car to the drift event because it's expensive. He has no cruise control. It's shit on fuel. And Rex has decided to be a high roller and drive over here, and he's clowned himself a little bit. Rexton, would you like to explain to the viewers what's happened?
Too wide of a wheel on the Chaser, and it was fine when I was running a 255, but now I'm running a 265. And I'm going a bit like this, honk honk every time I drive. Dude, it's so bad that in the rear view mirror, I can see like smoke coming off when I'm driving.
That's not ideal. So check it out, guys. It's getting so hot from the rubbing that it's actually melting the paint here. It's turning brown because he has to bash out his rear guards a bit. But it is what it is, right?
12 seconds later.
FML, emotional damage. Too late to make this pretty.
Pit stop number 2. So pull over to empty our bladders and fill up the car bladders. Yeah, if that made any sense. Here's Rex's car. So Rex ended up being a butcher, slightly raised his car. You can't really tell now because he's got the jack in the boot. As you can see here, like it's pretty bad. It was warming up so much that it was cooking the paint. Yeah, but he's still having rubbing issues. Like if you touch this part of the tire, like it's properly sticky. But you know, it's all part of the fun. Here's Naoki's Roach, still going good. Naoki has a Fairmont. He's meant to have cruise control, but he got a steering wheel put on yesterday, and now he doesn't have cruise control. So he's suffering with Rex and no cruise control, but you know, once again, part of the fun. Anyway, we'll give you guys more updates as they come. So we're currently following Rex up to the house, which is over there. We're staying here for 3 days, just like a little boys trip. 3 or 4 days?
4 days.
4 days. And we're just, us boys are just chilling in the FGX, stock suspension, stock ride height.
Comfortable.
Exactly. So, Rex.
Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of it's for the grown and the sex. Go ahead and text. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me.
guys, it's the morning of the drift event. We just finished unloading all the tires. Peter, the gun, towed up all the boys' tires at the FGX. All the cars made it. The driveway was fucked. It was so uneven. All the low cars are struggling so much. What's going on, everyone?
Hello, Nathan. Here's a butterfly for
Oh,
your channel.
beautiful. Thank
There
you.
go.
That's so nice. So we got the Chaser here, got the AU. Everyone made it. No dramas. We got Peter, Johnny, and George in the S13. What's going on, everyone? You want to say hi to the vlog?
What's going on?
You guys excited?
Of course.
Man.
Always excited, but...
Oh, no.
So I'm out for the day.
Beautiful S13. This is a proper 2000s drift car right here. This is what, you know, my car used to be used for, and then luckily it got it got saved amongst all the other drift cars, and it became a street. I'm not really making sense there. What I'm just trying to say is that my car didn't turn into a missile. So yeah, I mean, I definitely want to take my car here when it's ready.
Chunky beat.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Currently sitting at my new editing rig right now. It's a few days past the Winton event. Rex and I have built this mad editing rig. I'm super happy with it. RGBs, can't go wrong with that. I'd love to hear from you guys what kind of content you'd like to see. I have a few things in mind, but your feedback is really important to me as well. I definitely want to get my car out on the skid pad, so hopefully in the next few months the Sylvia's all fixed, you know, power steering, new gearbox and all that stuff. Hopefully you'll see my car sliding as well as some others. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you later.